Clay flowers. One thing I like about clay flowers is the freedom to choose the color. We can have green rose or pink lilac at any time when needed for wedding, hair accessories, brooch, cake topper, or home decoration. We can have blue, purple, or black roses if you want it.
My idea of making flowers with clay is not to copy the nature, but to make pieces or arrangement for special occasion with harmony and balance in terms of shape and color. Do you prefer to make life-like flowers? Yes, it's not easy though.
Do you know the size of the petals? The veins? Do you have suitable cutter for the petals and leaves? If your answers are no, don't bother to buy expensive cutters. You can still have beautiful flowers without those cutters. So, let's make handmade flowers without mold or cutters.
Just use usual basic clay tools. Follow our step-by-step tutorial to make a clay rose, or adjust the method slightly to make a daisy or another pretty flower. It's such a fun and easy craft, perfect for beginners to working with clay.
Add another petal, again starting at a different place so that the petals are staggered. Smooth out the clay where the petal is connected with a bit of water each time you add a new petal. This helps get rid of any uneven bumps and helps the clay stick together as it dries.
Continue adding petals. As your flower grows, place the petals so the tips are slightly higher than the previous petal. Pinch the tips of the petals slightly to bend the petals outward. Dip your finger in water, then gently run it along the tips of the petals to smooth out any rough or cracked edges.